Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, the last time you guys saw this car, it was in a state. Yes. But as promised, I'd be doing some work on it, and work I did. Not but work was done. So last time you saw it, this fender was damaged. This door was damaged, and mirror was broken off. And, you know the deal. But some work was done on it, and it's not perfect, but it was done reasonably well. Door replaced. Now I replaced the door with a door from a lesser model, so the mirror, as you can see, is from the lesser models. It doesn't fold, it doesn't have the indicator, and it doesn't have the blind spot and all those wonderful things. That will be replaced and dealt with momentarily, but for now it will do. It plugs up, it works, yes. The wiring loom, basically the same. So also what I did, I changed the door handles on the lock, the actual internal lock. I did that myself. It wasn't difficult at all. Everything fits. The inner face, which we'll look at in a second, the inner face was changed to the original door. Everything fits up. The wire loom was also changed from to the original door. So what you're seeing here now is just the metal, that's the glass, and just from the donor car. So everything fits. The wire loom was slightly different because I think it was the donor car did not have, I think it might have been the sensor for the door locks. There's a sensor there that the donor car didn't have, that my door had. So I just changed the wire loom. And the donor car's wire loom also, something was cut off. There was somebody took something off the donor car, and that was missing. So I just reused my wire loom, and that was it, perfect fit. All right, everything fit perfectly. All right, so let's go on inside and have a closer look at what's going on. Okay, now I have the battery disconnected, so we're gonna do this manually. Okay, so forgive me, it's still a little dirty. Broken glass is still under the seat, as you can see there. Rocker panel was not replaced. It was just pulled back out, and the door posts, the A pillar and the B pillar were pulled back into shape. They were slightly out, but as you can see, the door closes perfectly. Okay, nice panel gaps all around, front and back. Nice panel gaps all around. Oops. Yeah, so not too bad. Not perfect, but it is what it is. So all of this here is from the original door, from my original door. So when I bought the door, I got the glass, I got the whole frame and everything, but the door card was missing, which was fine. I didn't need it anyway. So I put all of this together, and it fit beautifully. I need to put the speaker back in though. Yeah. So something that happened, I'm not proud of, total rookie move. As you guys know, the Mazda 6, this generation, the 2G, has an issue with the alarm. It just goes off at random times, and that's what was happening with this. And also because the door lock was not touching the striker, the roof light was on all the time. So in an effort to solve that, me being me, said, okay, I'll just unplug this. I don't know why I didn't think about just unplugging the battery. No, I decided to unplug this. And in doing that, I might have shorted out something. And it wasn't long before I realized what it was that I shorted out. I shorted out the window motor. Okay, so The driver's door is the only one of the four. The driver's window is the only one of the four that doesn't go down. So today I'm going to be looking for a blown fuse. I hope it's a blown fuse. Seriously, I really hope so. But anyway, so the things to be done, the mirror needs to be changed. The airbag in the seat, not sure how I'm going to handle this situation. Yeah, this stuff is, the airbag is running about $200 something on Tasca parts, and the curtain airbag is running $300 and something on Tasca parts. So this it'll be done at some point, but again, baby steps. So today we're going to be looking at this panel here for blown fuses, and we'll also be doing one up in the engine bay. Okay, so we'll look at that in a minute. Let's get that out of the way. So the battery has been disconnected. So I actually tried this a few days ago. Pulled, I think it was this fuse here, this one here, and I got a check engine light. But after restarting the car twice, it went away. So at some point, I'll go on to force scan and see what it was that that affected. But at the moment, it's clear. Maybe I'll start it. Well, obviously, I'll have to start the car at some point to check, to make sure that whatever blown fuse I find is actually the window. But you guys can tell me if I'm not successful in finding it, what this might be. All right, so let me set this camera up so I can go hands-free, and we'll take it from there. All right. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed the fuse pulling tool from the engine bay fuse box. So we're just gonna go through. We're not really concerned with what is doing what, to be honest with you, because that can be misleading. You know, because you think it's one thing, and you check, and oh, it's it. Yeah, we're just pulling everything because you never know what's related. Okay, so the first two are fine. And oh boy, this thing is gonna give me hell, isn't it? What's going on is that the glare from the sun is in my eye. I can't really see. I think these two are spares, you know. I think these two are spares. Wait. So sun is in my eye. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, there. Uh-oh. What's going on here, guys? This is giving me a hard time. Why? Why? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think these two are spares. So, okay. And this is fine. Once again, sun is in my eye. Okay. Okay, this one is also fine. You know, I wonder if there's an easier way to deal with fuses. There's a little clip here, guys, that is affecting. You know, when I put it back in, there's a little clip right here that holds it in place. That's causing a little problem. All right, this one is good. If you guys can tell me what's the easier way to deal with this, I'd be happy, because it's making this far more difficult than it needs to be. Okay, and this one is also good. I doubt it's a 5 amp fuse, but again, I'm not going to nitpick. This is fine. All fuses are going to get checked today, every single one, unless you guys know of one that's hidden somewhere. Okay, this is also good. Okay. Okay, and this one is good. I should have turned this car the other way so that the sun isn't in my eye. See, it's reflecting off my glasses, so it's making it even worse. Okay, and this one is good. Now there's one in the top corner here. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. It's right here. That one is actually for the power window, but it's perfectly fine. I checked it the other day. That's the first one I went to, but it's fine. So this is defeating me. I really hope that I haven't damaged the BCM, which I will check. I'll use Forescan and check it to see what's going on if I get to that stage. This one is fine. I'll check Forescan to see if everything is okay. But I'm thinking that maybe it would have thrown a code if I had damaged the BCM. So it's fine. I'm thinking, you know. Okay, so this is the second to last fuse. I still haven't found one that's blown. Okay, and this is fine. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this fuse just... well, you know, obviously I can't use this tool here, so I have my handy dandy bird beak pliers here. Just gently grab it, pull it, and it looks fine, perfectly fine. So we'll drop this back in, and we'll move to the engine bay and make sure I have it in the right. Yeah, that's fine. Let me turn this around so I can read it. Alright, that's it. Alright, so all the fuses on the passenger compartment fuse block are fine. So we move to the engine bay. Okay. Number of fuses here to go through, so let's begin. So I'm not seeing any blown fuses. This is very worrisome. Very, very worrisome. Alright, so we haven't found that problem. Alright, tell you what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and test to see if there's power going to the door, and then we take it from there. But yeah, this is very worrisome for me. Yeah. These are the various relays. I'm wondering if Here's a relay, and it has gotten lazy. Yeah. Anyway, let's get some tools. Let's get this door off, and let's see what's going on. All right. Be back in a second.